Marvin and Sweetie. Marvin lived next to a garden fountain, surrounded by shrubs and small trees. His favorite thing to do was sit on the edge of the water and watch the birds on the other side. Even though it made him happy to watch the birds fly around with their beautiful feathers and their cheerful chirps, he felt sad.
"I wish I was a bird," he lamented, "but I'm just an ugly, slimy frog."
One day, a chickadee flew down close to him.
"Good morning. I'm Sweetie," she said. "Do you mind if I share your fountain?"
"Hi, Sweetie. I'm Marvin. Sure, you can share the fountain."
Marvin looked at Sweetie's pretty feathers and wings, and big tears began to form in his froggy eyes. Sweetie hopped over to Marvin's side and patted him on the back with her wing.
"What's wrong, Marvin? Why are you so sad?"
Marvin hiccuped between sobs.
"I wish I was a bird like you. I wish I had pretty feathers, and I wish I could fly. But I'm just an ugly frog with slimy skin. I can't do anything."
Sweetie gave him a sympathetic hug and said,
"That's not true, Marvin. You can do lots of things."
"Like what?"
asked Marvin.
"Well," started Sweetie, "you may not be able to fly, but you can swim, and fast, too. And did you know that frogs can jump over 20 times the length of their bodies? You have such strong legs. That's something to be proud of."
"I guess so," sighed Marvin. "But still, I'm so ugly. I wish I had pretty feathers like you."
"Feathers are nice," said Sweetie. "Without them, birds couldn't fly. But frogs have very special skin. You can breathe and drink through your skin. That's pretty amazing. And even though you might think you're ugly, you sure have a remarkable ability for camouflage. I bet it's pretty easy for you to catch food."
"Yeah, that's true," said Marvin,
a bit more cheerfully.
"I guess frogs can be pretty special, too."
At that moment, a fly buzzed around. Sweetie tried to catch it, but it got away from her. Marvin, who stood very still, waited quietly till it got close, and then, with a quick flick of his tongue, caught it and stuck it in his mouth.
"Wow,"
said Sweetie.
"That was awesome."
Marvin croaked happily. The end.